Huawei's Nova series has carved out a strong name for itself in the mid-range game, and the Nova Y73 picks up right where its predecessor left off. With a bold new design and some clever upgrades tucked inside, this phone isn't just chasing trends. It's here to redefine what you expect from an everyday smartphone. Let's take a closer look. Design. At first glance, the Nova Y73 doesn't just look good, it feels considered. The rear panel flaunts what Huawei calls a dynamic plaid texture finish, giving the phone a premium shimmer that shifts in the light. Available in two colors, blue and black, it offers a refined yet modern look. It's smooth, fingerprint-resistant, and surprisingly grippy for something so sleek. Whether you're holding it in one hand or showing it off on a table, it catches the eye without screaming for attention. Display. Huawei equips the Nova Y73 with a 6.67-inch LCD eye comfort display, delivering vibrant visuals at 1000 nits peak brightness and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. This combination ensures sharp, bright images that are easy on the eyes even during extended use. The screen also features Wet Touch 11 technology, which keeps the touchscreen responsive even when your fingers are moist or when caught in rain or splashes. A smart touch control algorithm maintains sensitivity, so you won't miss a tap when conditions aren't perfect. Camera. The rear camera setup is straightforward, but capable, led by a 50-megapixel high-resolution sensor that captures detailed, clear shots in a variety of conditions. Whether you're snapping quick photos or experimenting with portrait and panorama modes, it delivers solid results that work well for social media and everyday memories. The 8-megapixel front camera is equally reliable for selfies and video calls, making content creation and face-to-face chats hassle-free. Performance. Performance is smooth and responsive thanks to 8 gigs of RAM and Huawei's EMUI 12 software built on Android 12. Everyday multitasking and app switching happen without lag, delivering a dependable experience for browsing, messaging, and media consumption. The massive 6620 mAh battery is the star here, built to last. With Huawei's 40-watt supercharged turbo, a quick 10-minute charge powers up enough for 5 hours of video playback, perfect for quick top-ups on the go. You'll likely only need to charge twice a week under normal use, making battery anxiety a thing of the past. A special hardware highlight is the X button on the phone's side. This smart feature lets you instantly pull up your frequently used apps with a single tap, act as a remote control for your devices, create widgets on the fly, or quickly call your contacts. It's a practical shortcut that boosts productivity and convenience. Conclusion. The Huawei Nova Y73 is an impressive mid-range device that blends style, performance, and thoughtful features without blowing your budget. Its eye-friendly, bright display makes daily use a pleasure, while the big battery and fast charging mean less time plugged in and more time enjoying your phone. If you want a dependable phone that covers the essentials and adds a few clever touches, the Nova Y73 should be on your shortlist.